Okay, can't go up that street. Have to go around. Oh, we got police action. Always police action. The only part that looks fun of that job is driving fast. Oh, and the super cops, their accessories were fabulous. We were all jealous, and I'm not even a cop. The smell down here, I just can't tell you how horrific it is. I smell urine. It's the only... Okay, Daisy, jump out. Okay, Daisy, we're going to the cannabis truck. See if Daisy knows which way. Hold my breath on this. This is actually the cleanest. I've seen it for a while, but I'm holding my breath because I don't want to smell it. It's not our turn. We gotta wait for the light. Daisy, wait. It's not our turn. Look at, he's going first. Yeah, look at Daisy. Okay, she knows where we're going. Darn. Okay, Daisy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here we go. She's got a plan. Okay, can I make it all the way there? Okay, Daisy, I can't. I don't want to run. She knows all sorts of words. Cannabis truck. I mean, that's a pretty big word. Uh-oh.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, good.
Good. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Okay, Daisy, no going in the truck.